What's good, everyone? Welcome back. It's a certified vibe and it's Coupe Owners TV, where we talk everything related to coupes and car culture. Let's check in with a few coopers and see what they've been up to. Revving the car wash. Achoo! Double coupes to the front. So I got the cheapest halogen bulbs I could find at my local Chinese store. Now I have upgraded the headlight bulbs to LEDs, but let's just do the change to see the difference. Car foot mechanics to the front. To undo the headlamp, you have to loosen these two 8mm bolts on the top. Behind this dust cover, you'll find your high beams and your parks. Behind this dust cover, you'll find your low beams. For SA spec, that's an H7. Twist the dust cover open to access the bulb, but space is a little limited. So, let's take off the headlamp. Once you've loosened the bolts, disconnect the headlamps. There are two more plastic clips holding the headlamp in place. One here and one here. Unclip them and remove the headlamp. With the headlamp removed, you now have access to all your bulbs, low beams, high beams, indicators. This is the LED bulb we are swapping out for the H7 halogen over here. Let's make the swap and see the difference. Instructions always say try not to touch the glass, and the bulb only goes in one way, so this is how it goes in. Then secure the bulb with this wire, this little spring, little thingamajig, and bulb is secured. Next, you have to plug in the bulb. Of course, if you don't, it won't work. Success! Bulb is plugged in. Yay! Great job! When you refit the headlamp, pay attention to the alignment of the headlamp at the bumper. It's still loose, so you can see panel gaps may appear. Before you tighten, align it at the top as you see fit. And now, let's look at my hideous yellow light. Wow, let's change it back.